How to stream F1 live. Here's how you can stream F1 live in 2026. Big news this year, Apple TV is now the exclusive home of Formula One in the US. ESPN no longer carries F1 races, so if you want to watch every race live, Apple TV is where you need to be. An Apple TV subscription costs $12.99 per month, and there is a 7-day free trial for new subscribers if you want to test it out first. Students can also bundle Apple TV with Apple Music for just $6 a month. And if you recently bought a new iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple TV device, you might already have 3 free months included. With a subscription, you get every race, qualifying session, and practice session you can watch on your iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple TV streaming box, smart TVs, and even through a web browser. So you're not locked to just one screen. There's also a dedicated F1 hub inside the app where you can find all the race content in one place. Here's a bonus. All practice sessions are free to watch, even without a subscription. So if you just want a taste of the action, you can do that at no cost in the Apple TV app. If you are already an F1 TV user, you can also link your F1 TV account to Apple TV and keep using that app like you normally would. F1 TV Premium is included for free with your Apple TV subscription. And that's it. I hope this helped. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.